Thank you for being in the Army.
I would like to honor my grandpa, Donald Giesler. He was a paratrooper in the U.S. Army 82nd Airborne and 101st Airborne Divisions, and I am proud of his service as a veteran, and I'm very proud of the positive example he's set for me as my role model.
Thank you, Grandpa. Happy Veterans Day. Thank you for being in the U.S. Army.
Happy Veterans Day! Thank you for your service.
Happy Veterans Day, Grandpa. I love you.
Happy Veterans Day to my dad, who served in the Army in the Vietnam War, and happy Veterans Day to all that have and who are serving.
Happy Veterans Day. Thank you for your service. We're proud of you for your hard work. Happy Veterans Day. Thank you.
Happy Veterans Day to all the veterans out there, especially my son Craig, my favorite veteran, who was a corporal in the United States Marine Corps.
I love you. Thank you. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you. Bye. Happy Veterans Day, Uncle Joe and Great Grandpa. I love you. Happy Veterans Day, Grandpa. I love you. Happy Veterans Day, Uncle Matt.
Hi, Dad. Thank you for your service in the United States Army. You are my hero. I love you.
Thank you for your service, Dad. Happy Veterans Day, Dad. Happy Veterans Day, Dad. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Deb Horvath, and I'm the proud mother-in-law of Captain Joseph Stout, who is now serving over in Africa on his second deployment. His first deployment was several years ago. He went to Afghanistan, and at that time, one of the flags that was flown over his base, he was awarded, and he had this beautiful plaque made for the Horvath family. And I'd like to thank him so much for everything that he is doing for us. And we miss you and we love you, and come home safe to us, please.
Thank you, Grandpa. Happy Veterans Day.
Thank you for your service. Happy Veterans Day.
Happy Veterans Day, Pop, Great Grandpa, and Grandpa Andrew. Thank you for serving in the military.
Thank you, Grandpa, for serving in the military for Vietnam War and peacetime. Thank you for your service.
I would like to thank my cousin Caitlin Dallas, who is stationed in Kuwait and Fort Sam Houston as a supply specialist. We are very proud of her as a veteran and for being an amazing single mom. We love you, Caitlin.
Ready? Thank you, Uncle Nicky. Thank you, Papa Gino. Thank you, Grandpa. You guys are the best.
And we are proud to honor MYB's own nurse assistant, Lance Corporal Lauren Tata.